In today's demonstration, I'll be talking about convection as a mode of heat transfer. Basically, we have three modes of heat transfer: conduction, convection, and radiation. But in today's demonstration, I'll be talking about convection. But before I talk about convection, let's just examine this. And so if you take floating balls, take this aluminum sheets, you fold them and drop them in the water, we'll be observing something strange. I try to push these balls, try to push them down, but they still float. Could it be surface tension or what? Could it be any form of field, any form of force? But all I think is that water has energetic particles. You can take this one too. Some of them are floating while some of them are sinking. All right. So let's come to the topic properly. There are three modes of heat transfer. We have conduction, convection, and radiation. Okay. So today I'll be talking about convection. But what is convection? Convection is a mode of heat transfer which involves the actual movement of molecules, fluids. And when I talk about fluids, I'm talking about liquid and gases from hotter regions to cooler regions. Okay, so in today's demonstration, the materials I'll be using are these. We'll be needing aluminum foil, water, beaker, this can, the retort stand, the tripod stand, and also the Bunsen burner too. First of all, we will be folding some aluminum foils like this and dropping them into this water just like this. And we have discovered that some of them are actually floating and some of them are at the bottom. Alright, so the first is clamp. I'm going to clamp it. Okay. I'll be clamping it. Okay. Clamp it. Alright. Then I'm going to ignite it. Okay. So we're going to observe the molecules. One thing is that the balls are not actually the molecules, but the balls help us to trace the path of the molecules. When these molecules receive heat, energy, they expand, become light, and float to the top. So that's what we're going to see. And when they lose energy, they sink to the bottom. Okay? As you can see, they are rising up because they have received heat energy. They keep rising up. They've received heat energy. Let me put it to the bottom. Okay. As they receive heat energy at the bottom, they move up. The balls help us to trace the path taken by these molecules. The molecules attach themselves to these balls. Alright, as we can see, they gain heat energy and move to the surface. Some are coming down, they're going up. Let's watch closely. Okay, that one is rising up. All right. Okay, they're all going up. I'm going to shut down the system. Okay, let's watch for a while as they move. Okay, look at the pattern they are moving. All right. Okay. Let's watch the patterns. So I've removed it. Zoom it too. Okay, let's watch as they move. They're going up and down, going up and down. Okay, so when they and look at the part. If you look at the part closely, they are tracing a curved part. Okay. So they gain heat energy. They move up. Okay. Lighter molecules go up, while the heavier ones come down to replace the lighter ones. So it sets up a convection current. What we saw there was a convection current. See? You can still see it. Okay. Right. So some of them, they keep coming down. That one is going up again. So let's see. Okay, that one is coming down. It's going up. Okay. Molecules are quite energetic because they are able to bring these balls down. Okay, so let me just, we can see that they are moving up and down at this stage. So some of them are still up, okay, but let's see what happens. Let me shut down the system. This the gas supply. Let's see the movement. And let's also look at the parts they are tracing. See that one? This one? See? Goes up. Okay, this one goes down. Alright. Okay, look at the parts they are tracing. Those ones that receive heat energy below, the one, if it receives heat energy, it comes up. Okay. I'm going to add cold water to it. Let's see the result. All right. Let's see what happens. They are all heavy. Molecules are all heavy, and most of them have gone down, except for few. Okay. Until maybe they receive. Okay, that one has gone down. Okay, that one went down so drastic. That one even went down so drastic. Alright, so we'll cut it here. From the experiment we saw here, it was very clear that convection occurs between when molecules move from a hotter region to a cooler region. That is for convection. Convection takes place in heated fluids, actual movement of molecules. Okay. Here we have used boiling water. Convection can also be seen in land and sea breezes. Convection can also be seen in radiators. Convection can also be seen in air conditioning system where ventilation of a room. Alright, so that's the end of today's presentation. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you.